Federal law hands you a tool that makes lenders directly comparable, and most borrowers file it without reading page 2. It's called the loan estimate, and its twin, the closing disclosure. 2 forms, 2 deadlines, and both deadlines are yours. The loan estimate has to be delivered or put in the mail no later than the 3rd business day after you submit an application. You don't ask nicely for it. It's required. The closing disclosure has to be in your hands at least 3 business days before closing. That waiting period is the whole point. It exists so nobody can rewrite the terms of your loan at the signing table while you've got a moving truck idling outside. Now here's the part that saves you actual money. Because it's a standardized form, page 2 of one lender's loan estimate lines up with page 2 of every other lender's. Same boxes, same order. So you can put 3 of them next to each other and compare rate, APR, points, and total closing costs line by line, no interpretation required. Get at least 3. Quotes for the same borrower on the same day vary meaningfully from lender to lender, and the only way to see it is side by side. One more thing, how you pay those costs is negotiable in structure, not in existence. Cash at closing, points up front for a lower rate, or rolled into the balance or the rate. None of those makes the cost disappear. They just change when you pay it. So compare total cost over the years you actually expect to keep the loan. Full walkthrough of the process is in our Mortgage Basics guide at RateZip.com.